Here is the purple sphere in the middle. When you're in the middle, you can see this object as a purple sphere. When you're going to the left, it changes its shape to a cube and color turns to blue. When you see the object on the left side, you will see a blue cube. There's not right or wrong, you just see a blue cube. On the other hand, when you see the object on the right side, you will see the red cone. There is no right color or wrong shape for this project. You just see a red cone when you're on the right side. When you're going too far from the object, you cannot see the details of the object, as well as it is getting distorted. However, when you get closer again, you will see a cone again. In this project, you have 3 different perspectives to see the object. When you're in the left, you will only be able to see a blue cube. You will never know what it's going to look like in the other side or in the middle. When you're on the right side, you will only be able to see a red cone. If you want to see a different shape, you need to move to the other side or to the middle. What do you think?